art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw swag soda from Steal the Brainrot, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started by splitting our paper in half. We'll start with the glasses. So we're just going to draw an arch line, a very small one, right in the center. We're going to flatten this out. On the left hand side, pulling this down and across. Do the same on the right. Let's continue to flatten this out. So we're going to pull this across, tucking that up on the side. Now let's bring this line out. So we're going to bring this out and back up. Let's pull this back through on the top. So we're going to flatten this out. We're going to bring this line all the way over to the right hand side. Let's draw on the lens of the glasses now. So on the top, we're going to draw in a straight line. On the inside, let's round this out. So we're going to bring this down, across, and then up. Let's come down for the mouth. So from the glasses, we're going to draw in a corner bracket, curving that out. And now on the top, arching that line across. Let's come down for the teeth. We're going to bring this down on both sides. Let's curve this out. Let's come down for the tongue. In the middle, we're going to curve this around and in towards the center. Let's close off the rest of the tongue. Started back on this line, we're going to curve this around and back in. Now let's close off the rest of the mouth. We're going to arch this down and through on the side. Let's close off the can now. So on both sides, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes in towards the top. We're going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. Again, moving up, drawing in another curved line. Let's move in towards the middle, stepping out. We're going to draw in two small diagonal lines coming across, and then we'll pull this up to the very top. Let's flatten this out. Right in the middle, we're going to draw in a square, straight line on the top and bottom at the same width. And now we're just going to close that off on the sides with another straight line. Let's move down on both sides. We're going to flatten out the side of the can. So we're just going to pull this line down towards the bottom. We'll do the exact same thing on the right, ending that at the same height. Now from here, let's close this off on the bottom with a curved line. And then let's step up again, replicating that. Let's draw in that wavy pattern in the can now. So we're going to come up and we're going to curve this line up, down and over. And now moving up, leaving a gap, we're just going to draw in a wavy line. We're going to move up again following this shape. So bringing this down, up, down, and just following the wave of the line on the very bottom there. Let's move up again and replicate that. So again, curving this up, down, and in towards that tongue. We'll pull through on the side, bringing this down, up, and over. Let's come up again, replicating that. We'll pull this through over on the side. Now as we come in towards the glasses, we're just going to draw in a curved line underneath on the left, and then we'll pull that out in the center. Let's step up. We're going to curve this down and across on the right. Now let's draw in the arms. We're going to draw in two diagonal lines coming out. And then let's step in, drawing that diagonal line across. Let's draw in the arm. We're going to bring this line out and through on the side. Let's close off the thumb. We're going to round this out, bringing this up. And then for the rest of the thumb, just bringing this line over and back in. Let's move up. For the first finger, we're going to curve this line up, rounding that out, bringing that down. Let's move in. We're going to draw in another oval for that second finger. Let's move across again, stepping out, pulling that around, tucking that back in. Now for the pinky, we're going to bring this line up, down, and in on the side. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. All those left to do is the legs, stepping over, leaving a gap. We're going to bring this diagonal line out on both sides for the inside of that leg. We're going to pull this back down from that corner on a diagonal. Let's curve this line out. Let's close off the tongue of the shoe. We're going to bring this line up, over, and across. Let's bend the leg. We're going to bring this line out, back in. Let's move up, closing off the top of the shoe, rounding that out, pulling that down. Let's come in on the back. Again, curving that down, ending that at the same height as the line on the outside. Then we'll round out the bottom of the shoe, pulling that across. Let's step up. Again, curving that over. Let's move through on the top. We're going to round this edge out, curving that out. Let's move down, leaving a gap, replicating that again. Let's draw a diagonal line, closing that off. And that is it. That's how you draw Swag Soda from Steal a Brainrot. You can pause the video and color it the way that I've done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.